Well, hi,
Hi.
I'm Chad, and I'm going to show you guys how to make some salad dressings. Next, I'm going to make a strawberry vinaigrette with Daily Blessing strawberries. It's the best. And this one, I have done like macerated, where you put like a little sweetener on it. I'm not going to, and then kind of mashed it up. I'm just going to do it in the blender. It's pretty easy in the blender. Comes out really nice. That was a cup of strawberries. I'm going to do the honey first. 2 tablespoons of honey in this one, which this honey as well. And this is a new one I just tried recently. I did it with blackberries first and then tried it with strawberries. Turned out incredible. Tablespoon apple cider vinegar. A 1/3 cup of olive oil on this one. This one's really easy too because it's just add everything and pulse. Put on the blender, make it for the week. You can add what you want to it. You could add a little Dijon, I think would be probably pretty good. A little salt. Doing like an 1/8 teaspoon. Salt and pepper. And then blend. I put on the recipe, you could add a tablespoon or like at a time of water if you want to thin it out or if the flavor is too intense. I have done that just kind of like to taste or even just like thin it out a little bit. But this actually turned out really perfect. So, and it smells delicious if you like strawberries. This on a salad with walnuts, very good. It's incredible. All right, let's plate this one. We got a new plate. And it's like a beautiful color.